and I've come to show you some amazing new Scentsy product, and Scott wants to get in on the act as well. Say hi, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Scott. Welcome, wherever you are. Instagram TV, YouTube TV, Facebook TV.
TV. Hello. It's time to show you Scentsy Fresh. So, Scentsy Fresh is amazeballs. If you want to get difficult to wash fabrics like leather and suede and really?
Whoa.
Other stuff just smell nice. You want to use Scentsy Fresh.
Oh my God, that smells good.
It does smell good, but we'll get to that in a minute. And it's obviously not poisonous, and it's great for hair when it appears in there. Seriously, I need a new work colleague. Don't work with animals or children. And I'm having to work with a childish bear. So this is Scentsy Fresh, part of the laundry range, where it comes in a variety of different fragrances. They're going to be in the box below. For difficult to wash fabrics, so that you can freshen them up and make them smell absolutely amazing. I use them on the cushions, I use them on the blankets, etc.
Let's try it out.
Sofas.
Let's try it out.
Because, okay, smell your cushion now. What's it smell of?
We're not going to go there.
It
smells good.
Oh, Scott! These are brand new cushions and he sits his bum on them. Okay, so.
I think they smell good.
I'm going to spritz with the Scentsy Fresh. My turn to get you back.
Oh my God.
You leave it to dry for a few minutes.
Oh my God.
Entertain yourselves while it's drying.
Do you want me to sing you a song?
No.
Oh, when the saints go marching in.
Oh,
when the saints go marching in, I want to have some Scentsy Fresh. When the saints go marching in.
So, anyhow, we sprayed it on. You leave it to dry. It will not leave marks. That is just because we were in close proximity. You get nearly 500 mils. This will last me about a month of going around
You're
and
making it go out of
spritzing
focus. Let me hold it. There we go. We're back in focus.
So, what do you think?
Oh my God.
It smells considerably better than it just did.
It smells like, you know when you go on holiday, mainly to Spain, and it smells like, you know, like when you've gone out for the day, when you've been in the bed sheets and you've turned them over, you've got clothes all over the floor, you've messed up the bathroom, and the cleaner comes in.
This is Scott's house.
And the cleaner comes in and cleans your whole apartment, and you just walk into your nice hotel room or nice apartment, and it just smells.
Oh, I know what you mean.
It smells.
This is Clothesline. This is one of the fragrances. And Clothesline, as a fragrance in general, smells like what they wash the floors in hotel and apartments in Spain.
Great, guys.
Literally, people in England buy this Clothesline fragrance because it smells like a Spanish clean place. And they also buy Windowsill Breeze because they are two of the Don Limpio cleaners that we use. So there you go. What do you think? This is why everything smells so lush when you sit down. Don't spray me with it again or you will be in trouble.
Oh my, I love this, guys. You definitely need to get some Scentsy Fresh. And I'd highly recommend, honestly, it does smell like one of those
the inside of his gym bags get done with it as
well. It does smell like one of these. I wonder if I can do this. Oh, that's good too.
Actually, do you know where else I'm going to use this? Just talking of Scott and the gym. I'm going to put
Stop doing that. It's going out of focus.
Sorry. I am going to put this on his car seats because they are leather. But you know when they just get a bit... So now you know. Now you know what's going to be in there. You could just take that out with you and then spritz yourself as you leave the gym.
Has all sorts of... Oh my goodness. So where can they buy this, Alexandra?
On our website. I'll put the link in the box below. wickfreecandles.co.uk.
If you're in on Facebook, be in the comment box. Instagram... Go to Alexandra's bio, and the website will be on there. And if you're on YouTube, it's going to be around here somewhere. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, wherever you are.
Bye for now.
Boom.
Do not spray me with